Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Soft channel. In this tutorial we will see how to break the singleton using serialization, right? Serialization or deserialization. So let's start. If you didn't watch my previous video like how to break the singleton using close and how to break the singleton using reflection and what is the singleton, how to create the singleton class, singleton of type eager initialization, right, lazy initialization, and what is the use of the single synchronized keyword, and how to use synchronized keyword at block level and method level, and how to create the singleton using enum. So please go and watch. There I have explained step by step from scratch. So please go and watch, and if you really like, then please subscribe and like this video and share with friends, right? So let's create the singleton class to break the singleton using serialization, right? So write the class break singleton using serialization, right? So let's write. So let's first write the singleton class. How to write the singleton class? So let's private static, and this is the private static variable of type instance of type the class type, right? This is the private static variable of type class, right? And in second step write the private constructor, and in third step write the public static utility method of type class type, right? Guest instance. In instance we'll check if instance equal to null. If this instance is null, then instance is equal to create the object of this class and return this instance from utility method, right? So singleton class is created successfully. And now let's write the client code. Client code. Let's create the instance 1 dot get instance, right? Instance 2 dot get instance, right? Let's run first. So let's run. You can see both objects are the same, right? So let's implement the serialization, right? Serialization. To implement the serialization means serialize the object. So first you have to implement the serializable interface, right? Implement serializable, right? Serializable interface present inside this IO package java.io serializable interface, right? And let's generate the serial version UID. Now let's go to this class, client class, and inside this client class what I have to do, let's create the singleton instance for instance 1 using the get instance method, right? And instance 2 will create by using serialization or using deserialization method, right? Let's declare the null no. And now what I'm going to do, let's create the object output. Object output is equal to null. Then write the try catch. Inside try catch, let's object output equal to new object output string. So let's object output string, right? So new file output string. So let's give the file name, right? The file name, right? Let's file name something means let's write the Pawan.ser. So Pawan.ser is file name, right? And let's write the serialized, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm serializing this instance 1 method. So to serialize this instance method, write object WRIT, right? Object. So object 1 I'm going to write inside this Pawan.ser file, and object dot all the plus method. Okay, e dot print stack trash, and here write the finally block, and in finally block you have to close this object output object, right? So check if object output is not equal to null. If not null, then object output dot close, right? So this close method throwing some exception, so you have to handle it. So to handle it, you can use try catch, or you can use throws keyword, right? So if you see here, from this line from 16 to 26, right, I am serializing means this is the object instance 1 I am writing inside this file Pawan.ser file. This is the file name. So inside this instance I'm writing. So this is the serialization, right? Now let's serialize. Serialize means first in serialization I'm writing this instance 1 inside this file, and in deserialization means we'll read from this file. From this file I will read the instance 1 data, right? So let's to deserialize the object, right? You have to use object input. Let's declare null and use the try catch. So object input new object input stream, new file input string. In file input string, you have to give the pawan.ser file name, right, to serialize. So from there, from object input dot read object, and it will give you the instance 2, and this read method by default returning the object, right, cannot convert from object to this, right, so we have to typecast. So use typecast, right, and here e dot print stack, and in finally block again you have to check if object input not equal to null. If not null, then object input dot close, right. So in here from 31 to 40 in this line I'm reading the data from this file, right, pawan.ser. From this file I'm reading the data. You can see read the object, right, and here I'm writing this instance 1, right, instance 1 data I'm writing in this file. So this is called the serialization, and this process reading the data from this file, so this process is called deserialization, right. Now if you see instance 1 and instance 2 is ready. If you see this is the instance 1 I have created using get instance method, right, and instance 2, if you see instance 2 I have created using deserialization, read object using deserialization method, right. Now object 1 and object 2 is ready. So if you print, you can see there are different objects, right. So this object is different and this object is different. If you print the hash code dot hash code and let's run, you can see both hash code are different, right. So now you break the singleton using serialization or using deserialization, right. So how to prevent it? To prevent it, what you have to do, you have to come this class, and inside this class you have to write one method, write the private, okay, and private return type is object, and read resolve, you have to use the same signature, right, and return this instance, right, and you have to use the same signature, private, and this is the object, and read resolve method name, and return this method, right. If you run now, you can see now both are the same, right. So in this video we have seen how to break the singleton using serialization or deserialization, right, and how to prevent it. So to prevent it, you have to write this signature, right, for private object read resolve and return this method get instance. So using this you can prevent, right, to break the singleton using serialization or deserialization, right. So that's it. If you really learned something from this video, please subscribe my channel and please share and like my video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see in next video with new topic. Thanks for watching.